Hey folks, and welcome back. Today, let's dive into what's happening with the stock market as we kick off June trading. It's been a rocky start, and I'm here to break it all down for you. So let's get into it. The Dow Jones Industrial Average took a hit, dropping 305 points, which translates to about a 0.7% dip. Now, key players like Caterpillar and Goldman Sachs found themselves on the losing end, dragging the Dow down with them. It wasn't a great day for industries that bank on economic growth, as banks and industrials also saw significant pullbacks. Switching over to the broader market, the S&P 500 wasn't spared either, slipping by 0.3%. However, it's not all doom and gloom, folks. The Nasdaq Composite saw a tiny uptick, adding 0.06%, a silver lining on a rather cloudy day. But why this downturn? Well, recent data suggests the U.S. manufacturing sector is showing signs of strain. The ISM Manufacturing Index dropped to 48.7 in May. For those who might not know, any number below 50 signals contraction. So yes, that's definitely a red flag waving at the economy right now. Let's look back a bit. Despite this shaky start, Wall Street was coming off a pretty strong month. All three major averages had their sixth positive month in 7, with the Nasdaq rising 6.9% in May, its best month since November last year. Yet, this rally seemed to lose steam as May ended, with all three averages closing more than 1% below their record highs. Even with the Dow adding more than 500 points on the last Friday of May, it wasn't enough to keep the momentum going into June. And there's more. Over in the oil markets, U.S. crude oil prices tumbled more than 3% to trade below $75 per barrel. Why? Well, OPEC Plus made a big announcement. They're planning to phase out voluntary production cuts totaling 2.2 million barrels per day. Led by powerhouses Saudi Arabia and Russia, this coalition of 8 OPEC Plus members aims to reintroduce more than 500,000 barrels per day to the market by December, with a total of 1.8 million barrels per day expected by June 2025. This move is sure to shake things up. So what can we take away from all this? The markets are volatile and full of surprises. Whether you're an investor or just keeping an eye on economic trends, these are developments you'll want to watch closely. That's it for today's market breakdown. Make sure to stay informed and keep an eye on how these stories develop. Until next time, take care and stay savvy, folks.